guys, so I've been shopping around and really would like to bring my video blogging to the next level. And it's been like a few days that I had like, should I invest more money with DSLR and all those things? And I made up my mind. And in this video, I'll share with you guys my decision. Okay, well, actually, I already have an existing DSLR and I'm just like one of those people na, bumibili ng DSLR and then find it too complicated and then eventually hindi naman magagamit. Taas ang kamay ng mga ganong klaseng tao. And this is actually my second DSLR. Yung isa, nakalimutan ko na, was so old. It was like 10 years ago. And this one, I bought it like few years ago. The T5i, it's still relatively good, but from what I need right now, which is doing more video vlogging. By the way, I'm using right now my Samsung S9, which is very reliable. And it's also very good starter video camera at super light siya. So anyway, so I decided to ditch this one, get a new one, and yun po yung pag-uusapan natin. Let's go to my computer. I'll show you guys ano yung napag-desisyonan ko to get. So one of the challenges with the S9 is wala akong masyadong mga very good blurry background and cinematic and all those things. And the challenge also is yung hindi mo papapalitan yung lens mo for more nice video. So anyways, this is what I decided after hours, literally hours. I'm that person that I'm a researcher. That's what I love to do. I love to research. So the good thing is, before I make a decision, I just feel that I need to feel that sort of a certainty na I made the right decision. That's a good thing for me. I research a lot. But at the same time, sometimes I tend to overthink things. But anyway, I'll show you guys the decision that I made. And this is the, I don't know guys if you can see it. It should be in here, right here. Okay. I'm gonna get the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera kit. So that's what I'm gonna get. And I have a Prime account on Amazon, so it should be delivered tomorrow. And yep, in total, you should see here, the total cost me how much money. With crazy I am. I try to see it as an investment para ma-justify ko that this is really, I have to make a commitment and I have to make money from doing this, and that's a good motivation as well. Yeah, so I'm about to click the order button now. And then once I have it, I'm gonna create another video for you guys to see what it looks like. Nothing now. Let's go. Let's do this. So, let us open the box. Pag excited ka, kinakailangan mag-prime ka para pag-order mo. Kahapon ko lang in-order, dumating na ngayon. So let's open up. And also, pansin ko sa Amazon, it's very good. You don't even need knife or cutter to open your boxes. Pwede lang kuko. And then, boom. Let's see what's in here. With these bubble wraps. And tan-tararan. So this is the M50 by Canon. So yung mga old DSLR ko actually from Canon. So I just decided para yung mga menu and all, mas familiar ako. Before that, let's open up the second box para makita naman ninyo kung anong laman ito. There you go. So what I purchased is the Joby 3K kit right here. For more video vlogging, so you can see that. And then of course I purchased the Rode video micro. So it's much smaller, so when you're outside hindi siya masyadong makuha ng attention, right? Try that out. 64 gig memory right there for you guys. This entire setup that I'll be using. So for those people who are asking what are this, so this is the GorillaPod 3K. So there are different model, depende sa how big and the requirements of your tripod. So but this one is 3K, this is perfect for my brand new camera. This is the Canon mirrorless M50, and it comes with a 15-45 kit lens, and of course I got the Rode micro mic. So I'm trying to find a camera na medyo magaang-gaang. So this will be it. Whee! Woo! And papahinga na yung aking Samsung S9, which is most of the videos that I made was on my Samsung S9. Like right now, this is being shot on Samsung S9. So hopefully, I can create more quality videos for you. Have a great day. Peace out. Bye-bye. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.